in a galaxy not so far away. So this is the time I made my friend a book of monsters from Harry Potter for a wedding gift. I started with paper mache and Sculpey for the tentacles and let it all dry for a very long time. Once everything finally dried and stopped being soggy AF, I painted all the areas that were going to be exposed, i.e. that weren't going to be painted to or glued to the other side. Once I glued everything together, I laid the fur, the clay pieces, and let everything dry for quite a long time. Like a really long time. And there you have it, folks. That's the Harry Potter Monsters Book of Monsters. I used the one from the actual movie for the inspiration, not as much as the one you could get from the gift shop. I found that was a little less authentic. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I hope everybody enjoyed. Until next time. Cheers!